Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be changing the um, mirror glass actuator on a 2013 Nissan Note. Now in this case, what's happening to it is that the left-right action of it is works what it feels like. All right, so I went ahead and bought a new one, and let's see how to fit it. All right, so we start with the mirror, and it's the driver's side, the right hand side, and we just pull it back. The good thing with these mirrors is that even though they're automatically and electrically folded, um, you can still manipulate them. So in an accident, and you'll actually notice right here, there's a little scuff mark right here where a young lady hit the mirror recently, and it just folded in. Right, the glass popped out, but nothing to worry about. I've gone ahead and taped this because it's just a lot easier to work with if you're not seeing all kinds of crap in the background. All right, so as usual, to remove this, it's just a matter of just pushing the glass back here as far as you can, getting your fingers back here, and just pulling forward like this. All right, that's it. So this is the actuator here. Okay, it's held in place by three T10 Torx screws. All right, and here we have one right now. Now this is a little short, guys. I recognize that, but it's what I have, so I'm gonna use it, and I know it works because all I have to do is just kind of push this as close to the opening as you can see through the opening here. The T10 is here, so I just put it in place like this, and they tend to be a little tight, but manageable. It's a little windy today, so I'm not sure if that's a bother. So I'll just bring that over there. Okay. So careful, because it's gonna pop out. Now, one of the things I noticed with Nissan is that it seems as if wiring must have been short at the factory, because these wires here are really tight, and I see some activity here that says to me that there might be some breaking going on if we're not careful, breaking of the wires. All right, so this clip here is a little tricky. You've got these two wings here that hold the clip in place. You can just pry these away with your fingers. Um, I'm really cautious about gripping it, the wires, because they're really tight, and they're at a really bad angle. All right, so be really careful with this. I really don't want to tug on the wire. So I'm trying my best here to not tug on the wires themselves. All right, there we go. All right, and that's it. So this is it, guys. All right, and I got this off AliExpress, believe it or not. I'll put a link in the section below. Okay, this was like, the replacement was like $30 something. I just went out on a limb. I wasn't sure if it was gonna work, but lo and behold, it's the identical thing for like $30 something. And shipping was, I think the shipping was free because I bought some other stuff with it, and So here we have the new one. I bought some other stuff with it, so I believe shipping was free. But shipping on AliExpress is not normally expensive. So, all right, so what we want to do is take the clip, fit it back in place. Okay, that's it, snapped in place. And then this can only fit one way. It's this way. All right, there we go. That's it. Okay, so the wires go back here. All right, so when you're trying to figure out where it goes, the wires are supposed to be, I would say, roughly at the 7 o'clock position. All right, so let's hold this in place a second. How we get? Okay, so let's run this one in. You can also always spot a little WD-40 on these because they tend to be tight, you know, going in. Alrighty. Now, what we doing? We've done this before. Just line up the tabs, press firmly towards the center, and that's it. So, let's just go ahead and test real quick. All right, perfect. We have left and right function. We have up and down function, and all is well with the world. All right, perfect stuff, perfect stuff. All right, so remember guys, when we're done, we wanna fold this back in place because if we try to retract the mirror while it's in that position, while it's in the broken position like that, it will cause problems. All right, so guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.